आमचे बीचीस शॅक्स हे ते सगळ्यांक खबर आसा, पूण गोंयची ही संस्कृताय चडशी कोणाक खबर ना.
घर दार म्हणटा तेजे सगळे सांबाळून भुरग्यांक सांबाळून संवसार सांबाळून आमी आमचे लोककला आहा ती टिकोवन दवरपा खातीर आमच्या फुडच्या पिळगेक ते आमकां कळपा खातीर आमी तांकां खंय तरी मदत करता.
So all these vendors are all Goans. They make their products. They are locally handmade.
फेस्टिवल वर्षातून एकदा झाले की आर्टिस्टांच्या मनात एक उमेद असता. आता सपोज
Festival is a way to connect with our heritage and culture.
Actually, there are many displays on the Goa. And we kept a theme for 5 days.
हांव प्रिता सरदेसाय आणि आमचे हांगा गोवा हेरिटेज फेस्टिवल 2022 चल्लां कांपाल फ्रांसिस्को लुईस गोमिश गार्डनान. सो म्हजें जें पळय हातून काम आसा तें आमचे लोकनृत्याच्या परफॉर्मन्साचें काम हें हांव पळयतां. सद्दां आमकां सांजचें 6 ते 7 आमी हांगा लोकनृत्य दाखयतलीं. सो आज आमचो दुसरो दीस, डे 2 ऑफ द गोवा हेरिटेज फेस्टिवल. वी वेलकम यू हियर. आनी आमचे कडेन आज आसा आमचो 70रीचो पंगड जो आमकां धालो फुगडी दाखयतले. ताज्या मागीर आमचें आसा तें भुरग्यांचें किर्तन. सो किर्तन हो तुमकां खबरूच आसा, जी किर्तनां आमच्या देवळांनी जाता ही किर्तन शाळा फोंड्या चलता आनी तांची स्टुडंट आज भुरगीं आमकां दाखोवपाची आसा किर्तन. सो मागीर एक 20 मिनटां किर्तनाची आसतली आनी निमाणें आमचे इंत्रूज जे आमचे केपेचे क्रिस्तांव गावडे भाव जे येवपाचे आसा तांचो इंत्रूज हो तांची एक परंपरा कार्निवालान करता ती इंत्रूज ते आज आमकां दाखोवपाचे आसा. सो आमचें हें दायज जें गोंयचें आसा तें आमकां राखून दवरपाक आनी आमकां हें आमच्या दुसऱ्या फुडल्या पिळगेक पावोवपाक. तशेंच जे पळय लोक आतां नवे गोंया येता जावं गोंया रावूंक आयल्या हांकां आमच्या गोंयचें दायज व्हडलेंशें खबर ना. तांकां जेव पळय सोंपेपणान दिसता जे आमचे बीचीस शॅक्स हे ते सगळ्यांक खबर आसा, पूण गोंयची ही संस्कृताय चडशी कोणाक खबर ना. त्या खातीर आमकां ही दाखोवपाची आसा. आनी गोवा हेरिटेज फेस्टिवल आनी जायते गोश्टी आसा. आमी बरे बरे टॉक्स, बूक लॉन्चीस हे सगळे थंय अरेंज आसा. रातचे आमचे आनी म्युजीक आसता. दिसाचे क्राफ्ट बाजार जी आमचे पळय गोंयची पळय कला ही खुबशी हांगा विकपाक आसा. आनी त्या खातीर हो आनी भुरग्यांचो सगळो हांगा एक हो आसा जागो आसा. बुकवम लायब्ररी चलयता जी गोंयच्या हेरिटेजाचेर थीम दवरून भुरग्यांच्यो एक्टिविटी दवरल्या. सो अशें करून हांगा आमचे एक दायजाचो एक व्हडलो हांगा उत्सव चल्ला आनी तुमी येवचो. आमचे हांगा ही पळय आमच्यो भयणी आयल्या त्यो 70रीच्यान आयल्या आनी ती आतां तुमचे कडेन उलयतली.
आमी घोटिली नंबर 1 केरी 70. आमच्या ग्रुपाचें नांव आसा ज्ञानज्योती महिला मंडळ घोटिली नंबर 1 केरी 70 गोवा. जवळ जवळ हांव स्वता आनी म्हजी आई सुभद्रा अर्जून गावस आमी 22 वर्सां जालीं फोकान आसा. म्हाका गोवा गव्हर्मेंटाचो युवा सृजन पुरस्कार 18-19 फावो जाला. आमचो पयलीं ज्ञानज्योती महिला मंडळ ग्रूप आमी जेन्ना स्थापन केलो 2002-03 तेन्ना आमी आमचो ग्रूप आसलो वेगळो, म्हणजे आई आनी चेडू असो आसलो ग्रूप 12 जाणांचो. चेडवा लग्न जावन दुसऱ्या घरा गेली. हांव बाय चान्स म्हणजे हांव लग्न थंयच केरीन जालें म्हणून हांवें परत नवीन ग्रूप तयार केलो म्हज्या आई घेवन आनी 16-17 बायलांक घेतली आनी जवळ जवळ आतां गेली 8-10 वर्सां आमी परत ह्या फोकान आसा. आमी सगळें करता, धालो करता, फुगडी करता, दवली मांड, कळशी फुगडी, समय नृत्य, जात्या वरी ओवी, लग्न गितां अशें सगळें करता. कॉम्पिटिशनांनी भाग घेता. अशें इन्विटेशन असल्या थंय प्रोग्राम आमचो सादर करता. हांवें जवळ जवळ एक मे बी 2 फावटी गोवा हेरिटेज प्रोग्रामान पयलींचो ग्रूप आसलो तो परफॉर्म घेतलो म्हज्या आई बरोबर. आतां हो नवीन ग्रूप आसा. गोवा हेरिटेज प्रोग्राम हांवें केला लोकरंग लोकोत्सव कला अकादेमीच्या मार्फत आनी आतां आमकां हो चान्स येयलो. म्हाका जेन्ना इन्विटेशन हांवें वाचलें तेन्ना म्हाका परत याद येयली गोवा हेरिटेज म्हणजे प्रोग्राम अमक्या टायमार असो जाता म्हणजे म्हाका याद येयली. आनी आतां हांव हांकां सांगतलें की आमच्या त्या ग्रुपान हो एकदा प्रोग्राम केल्लो असो म्हणून बरें दिसता. खंय तरी बायलां आमी फुडें येता आनी घर दार म्हणटा तेजे सगळे सांबाळून भुरग्यांक सांबाळून संवसार सांबाळून आमी आमचे लोककला आहा ती टिकोवन दवरपा खातीर आमच्या फुडच्या पिळगेक ते आमकां कळपा खातीर आमी तांकां खंय तरी मदत करता. अशें खूब बरें दिसता. आनी आतां कशें जालां खूब जाणांक दिसता की आमी खूब शिकल्या उपरांत कितें फुगडी धालो घालतले अशें खूब जाणांक दिसता. मे बी दिसता आसतलें, पण हांवूय सांगूंक शकता की हांवूय BCom प्लस MA इन संस्कृत हांवूय संस्कृत लेक्चर बेजीस खंय तरी शिकयता. पण म्हाका केन्नाच लायफान म्हाका म्हणजे लज अशी दिसूंक ना की आमी फोकाक खंय तरी फुगडी घालपाची, खंय तरी धालो घालपाची. आई कडसून म्हाका सगळें मेळ्ळें. तशेंच म्हजे बाय आसा, म्हजे चेडूं तें म्हजें परफॉर्म करता. तशी म्हजी बायलां खूब आहा, शिकलेलीं आसा, कामांक सुद्दां आसा बऱ्या बऱ्या. पण तांकांय केन्ना अशी दिसना की आमी आमची फुगडी सारकी कितें म्हणून घातली कोणा फुड्यान अशें. पण केन्नाच दिसना, ती आवडीन येता. आनी आमी आमची लोककला फुडें व्हरपा खातीर खूब तरेन अशें म्हणटा प्रयत्न करूंक सोदता आनी करपाची इच्छाय आसा.
स्वामी विवेकानंद सांगतात, संसार हा 3 पायांचा चौरंग आहे. तो कुठेतरी एका बाजूला कलंडणारच. संतती, संपत्ती, आरोग्य, धन, अधिकार ह्यात काहीतरी कमी असणारच. सर्वांनाच सर्व काही मिळते असे नाही. एक आहे तर एक नाही असेच जीवन आहे. सज्जन हो, देव हा सर्वांनाच हवा, पण सत्य नीती नको. असे असेल तर सुख नाहीच.
Hi, my name is Bhakti Hirani.
And I'm Natasha Parekh. We are here from Team Pop It Up.
Yes. We've curated a pop-up bazaar, which you guys can see around us. We have lots of stalls and lots of exciting products that are handmade by locals, and I think you guys should come and check it out because they are very creative and very, very different. So yes, please come by.
So we're here at the Goa Heritage Festival from 15th to the 19th of November. Today is day 2 and we're really excited. So all these vendors are all Goans. They make their products, they're locally handmade, and the reason they're here is because the festival is all about Goa Heritage Festival. So we're celebrating everything that is Goan, everything that is made in Goa, organic, upcycled. So a lot of our vendors make all of these things at home. So we're supporting this craft. We at Pop It Up have been doing this for the last 7 years. We have our own brand that's called Pop It Up. So the two of us started that together 7 years back. We've partnered with the Goa Heritage Festival for the first time this year, and the association has been just wonderful because I think we've been working with all the like-minded people, and we share similar creative interests in this field, you know. So we are Goans, so we like to promote talent, and the Goa Heritage Festival is all about celebrating the heritage of Goa. We have so much, it's diverse. So we really like to be here and to be a part of this festival.
Yes, definitely. I mean, it's coming after 20 years and it should definitely continue because we have so much talent in Goa itself that that needs to be showcased, and we need to know about our heritage and culture. So this event gives everyone a platform to showcase that. So yes, definitely it should continue.
Hi, this is Kiran and my brand is Nazakat. I design pure silver jewelry. Everything is 92.5 silver, and the bags are made by the physically challenged. So we provide raw material to them every month, and they make the bags for us, and then we market it in Goa and many other countries. And yeah, Goa Heritage Festival has invited us to display our stuff over here. We're very happy about that. And Pop It Up has organized the whole show, and we have been their participants for a long, long time. Thank you.
माझे अश्विनी पात्रू हे जाते असा हे फातर हे मसालो वाटपाचो हे धाकटे फातर वखद झरोवपाचे हे आले लसूण धाडोवपाक आणि ही पंती आसा ही ते महादेवाचे लिंग आसा आणि हे धाकटे धाकटे शोपीस आसा नंदी आसा धाकटे आणि तुळस घाटणो मसाले वाटपाचे फातरी हे सगळे आम्ही हातीन करता.
तो वो पेंटिंग हांव 2 वरांच्यान करता, पण तसो हांव पेंटिंग 22 इयर्स सावन करता. तशें पळयत जाल्यार आर्टिस्ट आनी सगळे जे हांगा जे आर्टिस्ट मटेरियल बीन आसा पळय तेंच्या दृश्टीन खूब इम्पॉर्टंट आहा. कित्याक हो फेस्टिवल आमकां बऱ्याच वर्सां पयलीं एक फोंतायनेस फेस्टिवल ऑफ आर्ट जातालो. त्या फेस्टिवलाची आमकां याद उगडास करून दिता आनी आमच्या सगळे जे आर्टिस्ट लोकांचो एक ग्रूप आसा तर त्यांचे पेंटिंगां आमकां बऱ्याच वर्सां नंतर अशें डिस्प्ले करूंक मेळलेले ते. तर त्या दृश्टीन म्हाका हो फेस्टिवल खूब इम्पॉर्टंट दिसता आमकां.
तुमकां दिसता हो फेस्टिवल असो चलत रावचो बिकॉज 20 वर्सांनी आतां हो फेस्टिवल आयला?
बिलकुल 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 बिकॉज आर्टिस्ट म्हणजे कितें अशें एक फेस्टिवल वर्षातून एकदा जालें की आर्टिस्टांच्या मनान एक उमेद आसता. आतां सपोज ह्या वर्सा हांवें जी पेंटिंगां लायली कळ्ळें तर हांव फुडल्या वर्सा नवीन पेंटींग करपाची उमेद येतली. कित्याक हांव तेच पेंटींग लावूं शकना. आतां तुमी जर आर्टिस्टां कडेन पयले 5-5, 6-6 वर्साच्या पयलेचे पेंटिंगां तेंच्या कडेन डंप करून आसा. तर ह्या फेस्टिवलाच्या निमित्तानी ते कितें तरी नवीन कितें तरी घेवन येतले. तर म्हाका दिसता की हो फेस्टिवल असोच चालू रावपाचो. पेंटींग हांव प्रोफेशनल आर्टिस्ट आसा तर ताका लागून पेंटींग ही म्हाजी रोजी आसा म्हणजे ब्रेड एंड बटर म्हणटा तशें. आनी आय एम टिचींग सम स्टुडंट्स ऑल्सो स्कूल गोईंग स्टुडंट्स ॲट माय प्लेस. तर तशें आसा. आनी हांव चडशें म्हणजे एक्झिबिशनान दवरता पेंटींग. थोडे गॅलरीज आसा जे पेंटिंग्स सेल करता तशांक दिता. आनी थोडे आतां गोवा म्हटल्या नंतर एक टुरिस्ट डेस्टिनेशन आसा तर थोड्या हॉटेलांक बीन जाय पडटा की दे नीड समथींग गोवन म्हणजे गोंयचें अशें ओरिजिनल कितें तरी दाखोवन. बिकॉज गोवा म्हटलें की लोकांक फक्त बीच आनी माडाची झाडां तितलेच दिसता. पण म्हाजें पेंटींग जर तुमी पळयलें तर हेच्यात लोकल गोवाचो एक लूक आसा. म्हणजे तुमकां हे जर पेंटींग हांव खंय जर दिल्ली वचून दाखयलें अरे गोव्यान अशी घरां आसा, अशे रस्ते आसा, अशे टेम्पल्स आसा अशें म्हणटात ते. हांव एक्चुअल ग्राफीक डिझायनर पण म्हाका एक वॉटर कलरा बद्दल खूब म्हणजे अशी भितरल्यान एक आवड असली. गोंयान येयला जेच आतां हांवें सांगितलें ते फोंतायनेस फेस्टिवल ऑफ आर्ट तेन्ना हांवें फर्स्ट टायम म्हाजी पेंटिंगां डिस्प्ले केलेली आनी ती वॉटर कलराची असली. तर तेन्नाच्यान म्हाका आनीक चड नेट मेळ्ळो की ना आपले पेंटींग लोकांक आवडटा आनी हांवें करूंक जाय. आनी ते अशें खऱ्यांनीच म्हाका पेंटींग वॉटर कलर खूब आवडटात. लोकांक अशें सांगून अशें दिसता की आतां ह्या फेस्टिवलाचें नांव हेरिटेज आसा. तर हेरिटेज म्हणजे आमचे दायज जे आमचे परंपरेनी चालत आलेले आमच्या कडेन खूब गोश्टी आहा. पण आज जर तुमी हांव जेन्ना आयलो पळय 98 हांव गोंयान पावलोलो तर तेन्नाचे गोवा आनी आजचे म्हणजे हांव तर म्हणना की हांव हांगाच जल्मला पण जेन्ना हांव आयलो तेन्नाचे गोवा आनी आत्तां जरी पळयलें तर म्हाका खूब फरक दिसता. आनी जे गोव्याचे जे गोवेपण आसा गोंयकारपण ते गोंयकारांनी केन्नाच विसरचें ना आनी ते तिकोवन दवरपाचें. आनी हेरिटेज एक्शन ग्रूप ते काम बऱ्या तरेनी करता आनी त्यांनी करूंक जाय तशें. आनी सगळ्यांनीच तेंचे एक आदर्श फुडें दवरपाचे.
जॅक अजित सुकीजा. So basically this heritage festival is a way to connect with our heritage and culture and to make people aware about the diverse aspects of our heritage and culture. So we are having it in the what is a classified heritage zone in Kampal, one of the 3 zones in Goa, and we are covering everything from dance performances, music, food, walking tours wherein we show different built and natural heritage, art and crafts. So anything which is connected with heritage is being displayed here. The idea is to give a fillip to such heritage and design based economy and see how we can have more and more of these activities which help locals connect with their culture as well as generate economic benefits.
Yeah, can you brief us about the heritage walks taking place here?
Yeah. So we have designed around 20 different heritage walks. We've had walks which started with the Holy Hill Walk in Old Goa, which covered your built heritage. We have also incorporated natural heritage. We have a tree walk, bird walk, we have a medicinal plant walk, and anything which basically covers the entire Panjim and its surroundings. We have incorporated walks on that, as well as the what you call resources of Panjim. Like we have a walk on the freshwater springs, we have a walk on the Santines Creek. So walks is a great way to know your city. You come to know a lot of things which you don't know about your city, and we want to create awareness about what exists in the city, what can be revitalized, rejuvenated, and at the same time preserved to give the character of the city its life. And that is basically our aim in doing these walks, that we look and with that ideas come on how we can use them better, and we have pride in what we have had all these years.
So can you tell me your experience on these walks which has already taken place?
It's been quite amazing. I have attended 3 of the 8 walks so far. I attended the Holy Hill walk, which covered a part of Old Goa many people don't see. Old Goa, as you know, was the Rome of the East and one of the greatest cities in the world. From there, we came down to a Kampal walk where we covered this area. We spoke about how it was developed in the 19th century, how it was reclaimed as a marshy land. And today we covered the Raj Bhavan walk, which basically talked about how the Raj Bhavan was built as a fort on the Cape. So the Cabo, which was the original name of Raj Bhavan, came from the Cape. Right now 2 walks are going on. My colleague Fernando Velho is doing the riverfront walk, which talks about the importance of the Mandovi to Panjim. And we also have another Kampal walk, which gives a different perspective on Kamp. Over the next 3 days, there are 12 more walks which are planned. Please go to our website, goaheritagefestival.in. Check out the walks. Please register and come. Even if it'll be a great way to know something new. And also do visit us, all of you. Please come and see the evening performances as well as the talk shows on the books and other releases which will happen over here. The festival is on till the 19th. Till 9 p.m. every night. Please do come and patronize us.
Hi, I'm Rushali and I'm from Bookworm, and we are here for Goa Heritage program. We are representing Bookworm to engage with the children during this festival, during this event. And here is my colleague.
Hi, my name is Malcolm and I'm over here at this Heritage Festival. I belong to an organization called Bookworm, which is a Goa-based organization that runs a children's library. And here we are at the Heritage place and festival, engaging with the children and all those who are part of this heritage through books, art, and different kinds of activities that you can see over here. And at this heart of the Heritage Festival, we have also brought books on Goa and all the different kinds of books, as you can see over here. And over there, we have different kinds of activities that we are doing with the children and all those who are interested.
Yeah, so I can take you to the tour for our different sectors for this event. Actually, there are many displays on the Goa. And we kept a theme for 5 days. So 5 days, different book will be there to engage with the children. Different activities are there. So completely related to the Goa Heritage program. So you can just have a look on the different stalls and the sections of our program.
Hi, my name is Carlos. Very happy to say that at the festival here we have a lot of young Goans, upcoming chefs, and some people who are very keen on making very traditional food and drinks participating at the Goa Heritage Festival. We'd love to have you come on over and try some.
Guys, we're open up until Saturday evening. It's a lovely vibe. You got to be here, enjoy Panjim, enjoy the heritage of Goa, enjoy the food, the culture. We've curated a great experience in food and beverage, and don't miss out. Come by. So the food and beverage arena at the Goa Heritage Festival is a celebration of everything Goan. It's primarily every brand in Goa that is noteworthy, upcoming chefs and who celebrate Goan cuisine, Goan ingredients. The entire bar is curated with only Goan alcohol, and there's such a huge budding scene of Goan alcohol in the last couple of years. Come by and enjoy the cocktails and the food. The idea of the festival itself is to celebrate Goa, its heritage, and celebrate everything Goan. And Carlos has done a fabulous job doing that.
Just been happy to be a part of something where I've seen such encouraging response from even my generation. Of course, everybody will tell you about the good old days who are from the good old days, but it's time to make those days good again. See, for us, instead of giving a stage, I'll put it in another way. We are all a product of our heritage. We know what we grew up with in our homes, during our lunch breaks and things like that. But we also have a scene where you have an entire culture that is younger today, the generation-wise, that is putting together wonderful things, that is taking Goan ingredients and Goan cuisine into the 21st century as well. So it's only right that they be part of this so that we can celebrate the heritage we have so far and also get a glimpse of where it's going.
Well, it has to happen every year, not only once, maybe twice a year. The response has been so great. I don't think I'm saying that. People who are coming here are saying that for themselves. Carlos and me have been discussing this. It's something that, a lot of us sit at home and discussing, oh, we must do things in Panjim, things must happen. And we need to get out and actually participate and actually be a part of things for things to happen more frequently. And I see this happening every year, and I hope it does.
Hi, my name is Megh Netravalkar, and I'm here to broadcast my brand, that's Poire. We are a parallel brand running with Kismur Sangolda as a cloud kitchen from Sangolda. This is a brand we started just 8 months ago, and this is currently available online. We are here at the Goa Heritage Festival because pois are so symbolic to Goan culture and the vibe that this festival is all about. And we'd love you to come and try some of the pois. We are serving everything in a poi, so we have all the flavors. We have Goan flavors majorly, and some of more of coastal side cuisine. Kismur Sangolda being a Goan brand, we wanted to come up with a cloud kitchen model which is symbolic to Goan culture and which was something ready to eat stuff. And that's how we came with poi, because this is like everywhere you go across the world, you have those pockets, you have those pita pockets, you have those subs, you have those burritos, and I think Goan poi has to go all over the world with the stuffing that we are offering. And we'd love to see you over here. Thank you.
माझे नाव आनंद गांवकार. आम्ही काजूच्या टायमार हे फूड हे करता, गोळा करता, म्हणजे काजू कितें म्हणटा तेका आपले फळां ते लागीं करता आनी एक कोळमेर आमचे हाडटा उडोवन आनी तेजो ज्यूस काडटा. ज्यूस काडल्या उपरांत आमी ते सोरो काडपाक एक 2 दीस 3 दीस बेरलान दवरता आनी तो मडकीन घालता. मडकीन घातल्या उपरांत तेजे सगळे अख्खे हे पळय आपले मडकेचे सील मोराणे म्हणटा ते करता. बाकी तेजो ज्यूस कितलो घातलो ते आमी हे करता, आमी कंडिशन दवरता कितले घातला तो लिटर आनी तेज्या उपरांत सगळे बॉयल जाल्या उपरांत ते हे येता, कितें येता, सोरो येता. सोरो म्हणजे ते पयलीं म्हणटा आमी उराक आनी तेज्या उपरांत आमी फेणी काडपाचे जाल्यार आमी तोडाप घेता 2 टायम आनी 3rd टायम आमी तेजी फेणी तयार करता. हे आमचे सरांचे आमचे मॅडमा रोजा 19 कितले सर 1933 आमचे हे जाल्लेले आसा ओपनिंग हे. ती आमची मॅडमा रोजा पयलीं अशें सोरो काडपा हे करपाक, तेज्या उपरांत आमचे कंटिन्यू चालूच उरले हें सोरो काडपाचें. खंय तरी फेस्टिवल आहा थंय वचपाचें आनी कितें दाखोवपाचें लोकांक. हें पयलींचें नॅचरल कशें आमचे लोक जाणटे लावणी पयलीं हें करी, तेज्या उपरांत भाटी आमी लाय, ते स्टीलचे हें बसय कॉयल बेरलांनी, तेज्या उपरांत आमी टाकयो बसयल्यो आनी आतां हें पयलीं ओल्ड हें लोक करिना म्हणून आमकां ही कला एक जपोवन दवरची अशें म्हणून दिसता आनी हें आमकां लोकांक चालू करून दाखोवचें अशें दिसता. पयलींचें तुमी कला जपोवन दवरल्या बद्दल आमकां बरें लोक साथ दिता, बरो आमकां म्हणटा की तुमी बरें हें करून दवरला हें जपोवन. आतां लोकांक शॉर्टकट सगळें जाय, पूण हें सगळें तुमी दवरल्यात बाळगून हें बरें दिसता आमकां आयकोन आनी अशें म्हणटा लोक.
गोविंद कदम हांव सेब आसा सोय रेस्टॉरंट दोनापावल. सोय रेस्टॉरंट सोय म्हटल्यार ग्रेटेड कोकोनट आनी लोकल फूड, टोटली लोकल फूड, गोवन फूड. तर आमी आतां हेरिटेज फेस्टिवलाक स्टॉल लावन लोकल फुडाचे आमी हे हाडलेले आहा. सगळे फूड, एक सुके सामोसा, एक मैकरेल कटलेस और चिकन शागोती पोई और ये काप्रियल आणि वेज पुलाव असा मशरूम चिली आणि पोई आणि वेज बलचाव चॉप्स आणि मशरूम चिली अँड वेज शागोती पुलाव लाईक आम्ही हे हाडलेले आहा आयटम आणि टोटली लोकल आहात आणि आमच्या ऑथेंटिक बरे आहे. थँक्यू.
My name is Jyoti Parmar. I'm originally from UK, born in East Africa, but for last 20 years we've been coming to Goa. We have a place in Donapola and we come here every year, but this time the plan is to come for 6 months because we really enjoy the culture. The people are so humble, the food is delicious, we love going to the beaches and everything, and it's just amazing. The Heritage Festival is really well organized, really nice, colorful, beautiful lighting, lot of people, good vibe, very good environment, you know, and it's really nice, and I'm fascinated to see all the different things here. Yeah.
Hello, good evening. I'm Manuela Gomes Fonseca. I don't live in Goa, but all my family is from Goa. This festival for me is a surprise because I can see heritage of Goa and many things what my parents and my family talks about, special dances, movies and things, not food I know, and I like it very much. Thank you for the opportunity.